In the modern era, this belief has become deeply ingrained in the minds of people, whether they are ordinary individuals or even medical professionals. They view the concept of sex control or continence as a mere superstition rooted in religious influence. This misconception has arisen primarily due to the lack of proper education on the subject, leading to widespread fear among individuals. They are under the impression that sex control or continence can cause nervous and mental problems, posing a threat to their overall health. However, it is crucial to rectify this misconception by turning to the most authoritative source available, Dr. R. W. Bernard's book titled Science Discovered: The Physiological Value of Continence. In the present 21st century, scientific exploration has unearthed the tremendous physiological benefits of sex control, which are consistently advantageous. Our aim is to present the truth behind this significant discovery to you. Sex is a form of energy, propelled by semen in males and ovum, or egg, in females. This life force derived from sex is utilized by the body's systems in various functions beyond sexual activity. Unfortunately, many people remain unaware of this fact, resulting in the wasteful expenditure of this energy solely during sexual encounters. The choice is entirely yours: squander this vital energy during sexual activity or wisely transform it to unleash your inner genius. Depleting sexual energy through sex adversely affects your lifespan, health, intellect, physical vitality, and overall happiness to an equal extent, tilting the scales towards the negative side. Conversely, conserving this energy amplifies your lifespan, health, intellect, physical vigor, and happiness in the same proportions, but in a positive direction. How does this phenomenon occur? Let us delve into the composition of semen. Semen contains abundant quantities of calcium, phosphorus, lecithin, cholesterol, albumin, nucleoproteins, iron, vitamin E, and other vital elements. During ejaculation, a healthy man expels around 226 million sperm, resulting in a loss of semen. This ejaculation comprises substantial amounts of lecithin, cholesterol, nucleoproteins, and iron. Each ejaculation expels approximately 20 grams of semen, equivalent to 1,200 milliliters of blood. These constituents within semen possess immense physiological value as they nourish the brain and the nervous system. Research experiments have revealed that when semen enters the female reproductive system, it exhibits life energy within her genital organs. Considering this, one can easily fathom the reservoir of life energy harbored within the male body, where semen is produced and preserved. Once formed, semen is absorbed into the body, facilitating the proper functioning of the brain and nervous system. Loss of semen, whether through masturbation, sexual intercourse, or nocturnal emissions, weakens the brain and the nervous system. In contrast, conserving semen provides additional nourishment to your brain and nerves, leading to physical, mental, and intellectual development, as well as the enhancement of extraordinary qualities. Scientific investigations into the lives of genius individuals with exceptional qualities such as Pythagoras, Plato, Aristotle, Leonardo da Vinci, Spinoza, Newton, Kant, Beethoven, and Herbert Spencer have revealed their dedicated focus on their work and their commitment to a continent life. Let us now consider the viewpoints of various researchers in the fields of physiology, urology, genitourinary medicine, neurology, sexology, gynecology, and endocrinology regarding sex control or continence. Renowned figures such as Moll, Kraepelin, Marshall, Lydston, and Tommy, among others, have expressed, each in their unique way, the unequivocal benefits of sex control or continence for health and the absence of any harm associated with it. Moreover, they posit that anyone can attain genius-like qualities through the practice of sex control or continence. Conversely, excessive loss of semen is the root cause of all illnesses. Immediate effects following semen loss or ejaculation include feelings of depression, restlessness, loss of enthusiasm and confidence, temporary numbness of the body, and a diminished sense of power. These symptoms indicate the consequences of excessive sexual energy expenditure. Specialists have asserted that only a healthy individual can lead a continent life, while a lack of sex control signifies incomplete health. Excessive sexual activities resulting in semen loss can lead to temporary or even permanent brain and nervous system disorders. Of these conditions, we shall focus on three major illnesses. When the nervous system fails to function properly, it gives rise to a disorder known as neurasthenia, which occurs due to deficiencies in vital elements within the brain. Neurasthenia affects not only the brain but also the entire body and sexual organs, inducing numbness. It can be addressed through the replenishment of lecithin, a substance also present in semen. Excessive sexual excitement triggers heightened vascular and muscular activity, compelling the nervous system to operate at an accelerated pace, ultimately prompting the release of semen from the body. This explains the epilepsy-like state experienced just prior to ejaculation. Epilepsy, too, is a nervous disorder. Some individuals have experienced epilepsy-like episodes coinciding with semen release, during which they temporarily lose consciousness. Excessive loss of seminal fluid depletes essential constituents required by the brain, initiating a chain reaction that heightens sexual impulses and desires due to the body's abnormal behavior. Consequently, affected individuals may exhibit abnormal behavior, which can persist temporarily or even permanently. This also sheds light on the connection between excessive semen loss and acts of violence perpetrated by sex offenders. In today's world, sexuality continues to proliferate at an alarming rate. The primary contributing factor to this rise in sexuality can be attributed to the excessive promotion of sex appeal through various mediums such as songs, pornography or adult films, pictures, literature, news outlets, magazines, television programs, internet pornography, and advertisements. People are continually being influenced and manipulated by these relentless promotions of sex appeal, as mentioned earlier. Now, let us turn our attention to the solution. Just like other genius individuals, we too can transmute sexual energy. However, to accomplish this, it is crucial to comprehend the concept of the subconscious mind. Habits that have been ingrained within the subconscious mind result from engaging in certain activities over an extended period. For instance, while driving, you may find yourself slightly absent-minded or engrossed in music, yet your hands and legs continue to perform their tasks flawlessly. This phenomenon occurs due to the subconscious mind's memory. Similarly, the habit of engaging in sexual activities for an extended period has become deeply embedded in your subconscious mind. This habit invariably results in attraction to the opposite sex. To successfully undertake the transmutation of sexual energy, one must venture forth with unwavering confidence. The process requires patient practice, leaving no room for alternatives. You may have heard the famous saying, "Practice makes perfect." Apply this principle to positive affirmations before going to bed and upon awakening. Positive affirmation is a healing technique advocated by Dr. John Diamond. Sit on your bed and quietly repeat these words in your mind 7 times. I am blessed with long life. I am blessed with good health. I am blessed with semen power. I am blessed with wisdom. Dr. Diamond asserts that positive affirmations possess a healing influence on our minds and should be practiced throughout our lives. By persisting with this practice, the qualities of genius will be imprinted within your subconscious mind. Before sunrise, when the stars cast a hazy glow, you may experience tranquility during your walks due to the positive vibrations permeating the environment. Take advantage of this opportune time. Engage in a simple meditation. Assume a posture conducive to meditation on your yoga mat and visualize your sexual energy ascending upwards. Maintain this posture in your mind for 10 minutes. Some spiritual masters from India recommend this practice as a means of transmuting sexual energy. A simple and vegetarian diet can also help diminish the intensity of sexual impulses since the body does not exert excessive effort in the process of digestion. This, in turn, allows the organ systems to indirectly assist in maintaining focus on a specific objective, making the transmutation of sexual energy a more manageable and automatic process. In conclusion, it is vital to dispel the misconceptions surrounding sex control or continence. Science has provided unequivocal evidence of the physiological benefits associated with the conservation of sexual energy. By exercising control over our sexual impulses, we can harness this powerful life force and redirect it towards the development of exceptional qualities, intellectual prowess, and improved overall well-being. Let us embrace this knowledge and embark on a journey of self-mastery and enlightenment. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to access captivating videos and share this content with your friends. Thank you.